So let's take a look at the case where we have a formula. In this case, we're looking at I2FR1, which is fraud calls per FTE. Now, the formula itself, the raw data that's pulled in is measure 42 and 43 in this case, and you can see the data, as is normal, is pulled in this range of the spreadsheet. Down the bottom here, we calculate the formula. The formula itself is pretty straightforward. It's fraud calls per FTE, and the formula is and this here, this cell actually just takes the concatenation of the name of the first one, the divided sign, and the second one. So as these names change, this formula will change on the spreadsheet. And this also shows up on the L2 detailed dashboard explaining the formula. If we take a look at the actual formula, it's pretty straightforward. What the formula does is basically takes the first number divided by the second number. The extra part that we have on it, though, is down the bottom in this range. What we're doing is determining whether we have both the numerator and denominator. So if we are missing one of them, it comes back with NA, and therefore populates this cell up here with an NA. In fact, the way that it does it is it says if cell F29, in this case, this one, is the NA, then populate this with NA. Otherwise, do the division. What we're trying to do is in cases where we're missing some of the data, we don't accidentally create an element that's incorrect on the line chart or on the index chart. So this is a zone down here that makes sure that we don't present SMT with incorrect information because we're missing one of the formula elements. So that's basically how the formula stuff works. Obviously, if you want to add in a new element, what you'll need to do is insert some rows into the spreadsheet and then add in whatever the formula is that you want to create, line up the charts and so forth, and then the important part is come down here and change the formula to add in that new component. So that's basically how the formulas work.